รายการต่อไปนี้เป็นรายการทั่วไปสามารถรับชมได้ทุกวัย
Halloween Hello Spells His Lost is an annual holiday celebrated on October 31 has put in the Felty Festival some and the Christian only day of on Sun but is today rather I has the celebration.
Halloween's activities include trick-or-treating, wearing costume and attending costume parties, carving jack-o'-lantern, ghost tour, bonfire, visiting haunted attractions, prank, telling scary stories, and watching Halloween.
Cantonos, everyone now a little about Halloween, but what does this strange old country mean? Halloween come from El Halloween, if in the old shoot calendar, 1 November was celebrated El Halloween Day, the day for praying, replaced to the day before this 31.
So the day before this, October 31st, was All Hallows Eve. In the same way, the day before Christmas Day is Christmas Eve, and New Year's Eve is the day before New Year's Day. Is what believed that on this night, the spirit of the dead could come back to the earth.
Halloween is celebrated differently on both sides of the Atlantic. In America, the main feature is trick or treat, when children go to neighbor homes and ask for some candy. Afterward, they will play a trick on them in the United Kingdom. Halloween is not such a big event.
Some friends keep parties for their children's friends, where many for the traditional game in over apple. For example, in popping for apple, apples are put in a big bowl of water to win pie. You have to get an apple out of the bowl using only your mind. However,